Assalamu alaikum, myself Sanamul Abash, and today I am giving a presentation on scapula of equine. Scapula is a flat triangular bone that's located on the frontal side of the third to fourth thoracic spine to the distal end of the first rib. And about the articulation, so distally the glenoid cavity of scapula articulates with the proximal part of humerus. So now let's talk about the surfaces. Because it is categorized in the flat bone, so it has two surfaces, lateral one and the medial one. As you can see the lateral side because it is away from the body, and just opposite we have the medial surface which is close to the body. Laterally we can see the spine that's divided the scapula with two parts. Larger one is caudal infraspinatus fossa and the smaller one is cranial infraspinatus fossa. Proximal there is the dorsal border. Now let's talk about the medial surface. Medial surface, also known as the costal face, is smooth and concave. As it is contact with the ribs, it has a rough area. There is subscapular fossa. And about the proximal part of the dorsal border, there is a rough area because of the cartilages. Now let me give you a quick review about the muscles. So medially, the cranial side, there is a serratus cervicis muscles. Caudally there is serratus thoracic muscles, and just below there is subscapularis muscles. About the distal of the lateral surface, we have the glenoid cavity which is shallow and about the spine distally there is a acromion process which is absent in the case of horse. Now let's talk about the comparative anatomy of ox. So in the case of ox, the scapular spine is convex as you can see, and the acromion process is present and the more prominent as compared to the horse, and the ratio of this scapula is 1:3. Now this is the skeleton of dog. So in the case of dog, the scapular spine is divided into two equal halves, so the ratio is 1:1. And in this end of this spine, the acromion process is short, blunt, and overhang the glenoid cavity. The scapula of horse is crucial for movement and athleticism. Here's how it helps. Number 1 is stable shoulder joint. The scapula's shape and connection to humerus, the upper arm bone, create a stable shoulder joint, allowing for powerful and controlled movement. Number 2 is increased range of motion. The long, narrow shape of horse scapula gives them a wider range of motion in their front legs, allowing for long strides and efficient running. Number 3 is muscles attachment. The scapula serves as an attachment point for numerous muscles that controls the shoulder joint and the front leg. This allows for powerful propulsion and precise movement. Shock absorption. The scapula's position and structure help to absorb shock from the impact of horse hooves hitting the ground, protecting the joints and muscles. Overall, the scapula is essential for horse's ability to move, run, jump, and perform various activities. Its unique shape and structure are perfectly adapted for horse athleticism and mobility.